30 divided by 15 equals 2. 10 divided by 5 also equals 2. And finally 2 divided by 2 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present. According to the rules, we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that is on the left side. 30 divided by 15, that gives us 2. And then we have 2 divided by 10 divided by 5. Now we need to solve this division because that is on the left side. So 2 divided by 10, that gives us 1 over 5. And then we have divide by 5 present from the original expression. Now we have a fraction and number involved, and in between we have a division operator present. What we can do is we can apply KCF rule here, keep, change and flip, to solve this. So what we need to do is we need to keep 1 over 5 as it is. We need to change the division operator to multiplication, and we can flip 5 over 1 as 1 over 5. Now we have multiplication operator present in between, and all we need to do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators to get the final answer. So 1 times 1 equals 1, and 5 times 5 equals 25, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.